Okay, I'm just going to show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2018 Ford Ranger Wildtrak from any screen, just on the home screen, which you can always get to by just clicking home there, and it's showing whereabouts we are, what's playing on the radio and so on, and you can also switch your heated seats on from there. But I want navigation, so navigation there. Then nothing really showing, we want destination. Search, town, points of interest, address, town or points of interest. So I'm going to put in the postcode, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR54EA. Search. So that's searched it, High Walton, Preston, PR54EA. Click start. That's it. You will notice, here we go, if I click the controls there, that speaker comes up there with a line through it. There you go, you can knock it on and off.